Discover the secret AI tool that'll make you rich on Amazon FBA. Even as a total beginner with little to no experience, this is the has shown thing successful. Amazon sellers don't want you to know about product research. And I'm very sure that you are tired of wasting time on losing products. This usually happens to new beginners who refuse to learn what's working. I really do feel your pain, but don't worry, after this beginner's friendly guide, you will know how to use AI to win on Amazon FBA. Hello fam, welcome to Digital Wealth with AI, your home for breaking free from financial stress, building digital businesses, and earning online with confidence. Today's topic is very important, because finding a winning product is the #1 thing that stops most beginners from starting Amazon FBA. People get confused. People overthink. People waste months searching manually, but today, we're using AI to speed up everything. Less stress. Less guesswork. More clarity. More profit. So grab your notebook, because after this video, you'll never struggle with product research again. Let's understand what makes a winning product. Before AI helps you find a winning product, you need to understand what you're looking for. A winning product is simply something people are actively searching for, something with demand but low or moderate competition, something simple and lightweight, something with no big brand domination, something you can improve or add value to. Something that sells consistently, not once in a blue moon. Think of it like this. Imagine you're walking in a crowded market where everyone is selling tomatoes. Everyone is shouting. Everyone is fighting for customers. That's saturated. But suddenly, you notice someone selling pineapple juice and their line is moving fast because no one else is doing it. And even if people are doing it, they are few in numbers, so now I believe you've understood. That's what a winning product feels like on Amazon. A winning product is that products that few people are selling it while more crowd are buying. So now how do you discover that on Amazon? This is where AI does something magical. It spots that pineapple juice before the crowd sees it. Now let's take it step by step for more clarity. Step 1. Based on how to use AI to generate product ideas. Let's start with idea generation. This is the fun part because AI gives you product ideas in seconds. Here's how to do it. Hope you still remember that ChatGPT is the tools we're going to be using for idea discovery. Okay, so here is how to use it. Simply visit ChatGPT and type something like this. ChatGPT, give me 25 Amazon FBA product ideas with high demand and low competition in the kitchen, sports, home, and beauty niches. And in some few seconds, boom, AI come up with list instantly. But not just random items. You can ask for products with low competition, lightweight, high profit margins, seasonal versus evergreen, and again, products that sell between $15, $40. You can even ask ChatGPT to filter by trends, by saying, "Hey, ChatGPT, show me trending but unsaturated product ideas based on recent Amazon search behavior." A student of mine typed this exact prompt and found a non-slip yoga mat strap, simple, cheap, and now selling over 3,000 pieces per month. And the funny part? She wasn't even into fitness. But AI gave her a fitness idea, and her first month profit was over $1,600. That's the power of AI. Now let me teach you how to validate ideas using AI. Step 2. You can validate ideas using AI plus Amazon tools. If you have a great ideas, it's pretty good. But we don't rely on vibes and emotions. Instead, we validate. So here and right now, I will teach you how to communicate with AI to help you validate faster than a beginner can manually. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. Are you ready for this? Let's go. Step A. Use Amazon Search plus AI interpretation. Now visit Amazon and search the product keyword. For instance, non-slip yoga mat strap. And then, now check the number of results, best seller rank, number of sponsored ads, review count of top sellers, and the price range. Once you've gotten this information, the next step to take is to visit ChatGPT with the info you've gathered. And once you are on ChatGPT, ask your questions. For instance, ChatGPT analyze this as Amazon search result. The top 10 products have 4.5 stars. Price is between $26 and $40. Competition is moderate. Should I enter this niche? Once you ask this question, AI will give you a clear roadmap that will let you to know whether competition is too strong, whether price is too low, whether the niche has potential, and/or whether improvement opportunities exist. Step B. Still validate demand. Using AI, this particular validation is necessary because you will want to know if at all there is demand in. It must be profitable. That is why you should ask ChatGPT to estimate profit margin for a $30 product with $5 shipping, $7 manufacturing cost, and 15% Amazon fees. AI will calculate product cost, shipping, Amazon fees, profit margin, break even price, required selling price, and potential ROI. This will save you hours of trial and error, and AI can even generate a full spreadsheet for you. Now let's bring everything stating to L together. Step 5. Let me show you how to use AI to build a complete product strategy. This is the powerful part. After all the research you ask, still visit ChatGPT and ask him to create a full Amazon FBA product strategy for you based on this product idea. AI will give you 1. Target audience. 2. Product positioning. 3. Branding idea. 4. Listing keywords. 5. Launch strategy. 6. Pricing strategy. 7. Review strategy. 8. Improvement ideas. And 9. Competitor breakdown. This is like having a $1,000 month Amazon FBA consultant for free. Timeline: how to do all this in 48 hours. That niche, so still ask ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, estimate demand for this product based on Amazon reviews, BSR, and seasonal patterns. AI will explain whether it sells all year, whether demand is increasing or decreasing, and whether similar products are trending. When I discovered silicone baking mats, they looked simple and boring. But AI said, demand is consistent, seasonality is low, competition is moderate, and this particular niche made people thousands of dollars. Step C. Use tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout plus AI as interpreter. Hello, you don't need to master the tools. AI will interpret the data for you. Just copy and paste. Search volume, revenue, competition score, reviews, and trends. Then ask ChatGPT to interpret it for you. Hi ChatGPT, this is Helium 10 data. Please tell me if this is a winning product idea. AI will give you either a yes or no, and the reason behind the either yes or no, the risks and opportunities, and his suggested improvements. If you follow this step, you will definitely win before starting, because this is what makes beginners look like professionals. And the next step? This one is the real money step. Step 3. Use AI to improve and differentiate your products. A product is not a winner if you copy others. On Amazon, improvement is everything. So ask ChatGPT to give you 20 improvements to make this product better than top Amazon listings. Let me guess, AI might say, add bonus items, better packaging, more color options, include a digital guide, fix common complaints, and use eco-friendly materials. For instance, if the top reviews say, the strap breaks quickly, AI will recommend stronger stitching or thicker material. This is how AI help you to go from just another seller to a brand that stands out. And this is the difference between $300 a month and $3,000 a month, still the same products. Step 4. Use AI to check profitability. Finding a great product is not enough. Let me break this down into an easy 2-day plan. Day 1. Generate product ideas with ChatGPT and validate top 5 ideas. Pick the winner. Check competition and identify improvements. Day 2. Analyze profitability. Finalize product strategy. Contact suppliers, start branding. In just 48 hours, you can go from I don't know what to sell to I'm launching my first product. Look, if you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or scared of starting, just remember this. Nobody started as an expert. Everybody started confused. Everybody made mistakes. Everybody had fears. But the people who succeed are not the smartest. They're the ones who start anyway. AI has made Amazon FBA easier than ever. Now you don't need to guess. You don't need to waste months. You don't need to fear failure. The only thing stopping you is you not starting. If you got value today, please smash that like button. YouTube will push this to more people who need it. Leave a comment telling me, I'm ready to find my winning product. And don't forget to subscribe because we drop weekly videos to help you earn online, grow digital businesses, and build the wealth you deserve. Remember, success doesn't come to people who wait. It comes to people who start. This is Hannah, your digital wealth with AI coach. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed.